Yeah, Steve Brittany, local attorney Roger Appel says if you use hemp products, you really don't want to mess around with this new law. It bans smokable and vape hemp products, puts strict limitations on THC edibles, and removes them from convenience store shelves. Hemp and CBD shop owners have told us in the past the law goes too far. And as of July 1st, it's now illegal to sell or even have smokable hemp. And if you do, you could face felony charges. Criminal defense attorney Roger Appel says he's puzzled by that. He points out that recreational marijuana, at least for a first-time offender, is just a misdemeanor. It only becomes a felony after that. And unlike a felony, a misdemeanor gives you a chance to keep your record clean through something called drug court. And Appel does not recommend breaking the law under any circumstances. His biggest advice is cooperate with law enforcement, but don't volunteer information. Your reporter in Birmingham, James Giles, WBRC 6 News, on your side.